everyone, I'm Annabelle from Job Peddle, and today I'm here with Simon, who is Project Manager at MSS Security. Hi, Simon.
How are you, Annabelle?
So, Simon, you're with one of the leading security companies in Australia, and how do you like working for them?
Oh, I reckon it's a fantastic job. I've been with them for 18 months now. I come out from New South Wales Sheriffs, and they're on par with the professionalism. They like to promote from within, so it gives a lot of the guards a lot of potential that they can move ahead and become a site manager or work in the office in the administration area type. No, very fantastic company, and they do look after their staff. So
great. And why do you think MSS is such a great company to work for?
Because their management style is characterised by a forward-thinking approach, and they excel with their employees. They're informed and engaged, and many officers have remained with us for up to 30-odd years. So just goes to show that people do like working with us, and the conditions are great, and they receive respectful treatment. So all
That's
very
great.
good.
Yeah. Now, Simon, I hear that MSS are currently looking for security officers.
We are. We're unfortunately in this day and age, we're always looking for guards. So people feel free to give us a call, and we'll find you a position.
Okay, so when interviewing security officers, what are you looking for?
Well, I'm looking for people, what I call the 3 Ps. They need to be professional. Their presentation has to be of a high standard, and they also need to be punctual with their timings. There's no need to have experience in the field industry, because we'll take you on board and we'll train you. We won't just put you at a location and expect you to work it out yourself. You will receive qualified training. So just somebody with an outgoing attitude and customer service focused.
Great.
And that'll be good.
Yeah. So if anyone wants to work for one of Australia's leading security companies, what should they do?
They could contact MSS by phone and speak to Human Resources. Or you can get onto the MSS website, and there's contact details on there. And there's also a list of our current job vacancies all throughout Australia. So,
wonderful.
So I will accept anybody.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Simon, for sharing that information. And I do encourage any security officers who are interested in working with a prominent company like MSS Security to apply.
All right. Thanks for your time, Annabelle.
Thank you, Simon.
My pleasure. Thank you.